Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have some brand new Hot Wheels cars and series to talk about. The first new set of cars is a premium series called the 50th Anniversary Hot Wheels Favorites. These models include rubber tires, metal bottoms, and really nice details across all of the vehicles. So far, the first batch of 5 have been revealed, but there will be a total of 10 Hot Wheels in the Favorites series. The first model in this set is the classic red 56 Chevy. Then we have a really good looking red, white, and blue 71 Amc Javelin. The third vehicle is the orange 60s Ford Econoline pickup truck. Next, we have the very nice green custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. And the fifth model is the bright blue 71 Datsun Bluebird 510 Wagon. This is shaping up to be a great series, and I'm glad they built a set of some of the greatest Hot Wheels models around. Now, another great batch of Hot Wheels coming in 2018 is the new Team Transport series. We first heard about these at the Los Angeles convention, and we have a new photo showing the awesome pairs of trucks and cars. The first prototype images of this set show the Volkswagen T1 Transporter pickup, which will be paired with the Porsche Speedster. You might notice the bed of the Volkswagen T1 is much better suited to carry cars than the tiny Volkswagen T2 from the mainline. The Hot Wheels Retro Rig, Sakura Sprinter, and Momo Fleet Flyer all look like very exciting vehicles to add to your collection. There's more great series on the way, and one of them features cars from many decades of American classics. This photo shows a whole lot of them, and they're definitely going to be another popular set for 2018. We also have a new photo today of that brand new Audi RS6 Super Treasure Hunt, which is one model that I'm very much looking forward to. And if you think there's already enough 50th anniversary sets for this year, there's more. Here we have 3 models featuring stars and stripes with the 50th anniversary logos. We don't know which set these cars belong to yet, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. Next, we have a new photo of the eye-popping Cool Combi Treasure Hunt. Then we have a few photos of the new 52 Chevy pickup truck, which is the Super Treasure Hunt of the upcoming 2018 J-Case. There's a new Hot Wheels Metro 5-car pack coming to stores soon, and the highlight is the blue custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. Matchbox also has a new Ice Voyagers 5-car pack, which features a blue color of the Range Rover Evoque. Here's a photo of the hot new Amc Datsun 620 pickup truck, which you'll find at Walmart stores soon. We have a nice look at the new 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser mail-in model, which is a Kmart K-Day special. And the third promotional mail-in car for 2018 is going to be the 1969 Chevelle Ss396. So guys, that is all of our brand new Hot Wheels car news for today. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.